Welcome, coffee lovers. Are you in search of the perfect coffee maker to start your mornings off right? In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 best coffee makers on the market. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Number 5. Ecors. The Ecors coffee maker is a compact and portable machine that's perfect for small spaces or when you're on the go. This versatile coffee maker is designed to brew both ground coffee and coffee pods, giving you flexibility no matter your preference. It comes with a 19-bar high-pressure pump, ensuring that your coffee or espresso is brewed with rich flavor and a perfect crema on top. The Ecors is also very easy to use, featuring one-touch buttons for quick brewing and a water reservoir that holds just the right amount of water for single servings. Additionally, it's compact and lightweight, making it ideal for taking with you on trips or fitting into tight counter spaces. If you're looking for convenience without sacrificing taste, the Ecors coffee maker is an excellent choice. Number 4. Cafelf. Cafelf coffee maker is a sleek and stylish option for those who want a reliable machine that doesn't compromise on design. The Cafelf is designed for versatility, offering the ability to brew espresso, cappuccino, and even frothy lattes. It features a powerful 20-bar pressure pump, ensuring that every shot of espresso is extracted with maximum flavor and aroma. The Cafelf coffee maker also stands out for its built-in milk frother, making it easy to craft your favorite cafe drinks right at home. The frother works effortlessly, producing creamy, velvety foam that elevates your coffee experience to the next level. With its modern design and range of functions, the Cafelf is perfect for anyone who enjoys a variety of coffee drinks and values both aesthetics and performance. Number 3. Siphon. This beautifully designed machine offers a unique way to brew coffee that is as much about the experience as it is about the result. The Siphon coffee maker utilizes a vacuum brewing method which extracts a full-bodied and rich flavor from the coffee beans, resulting in a cup of coffee that is truly distinctive. This coffee maker is perfect for those who enjoy experimenting with their brew. The siphon method allows for precise control over the brewing temperature and time, giving you the ability to fine-tune your coffee to your liking. While it may require a bit more effort than other machines on this list, the payoff is a cup of coffee that is unlike anything else. If you're looking for a showpiece that delivers exceptional coffee, the Siphon coffee maker is a great choice. Number 2. Biolamix. This powerful coffee maker is designed for those who crave strong, bold espresso at home. Featuring a 15-bar pressure pump, the Biolamix delivers barista-quality espresso with a rich crema and intense flavor. It's perfect for anyone who loves a strong, aromatic shot of coffee to kickstart their day. The Biolamix espresso machine also comes with a steam wand, making it easy to steam milk for lattes and cappuccinos. The machine is user-friendly, with simple controls that let you adjust the settings to your preference, and its stainless steel design gives it a modern and durable finish. If you're serious about espresso and want a machine that can deliver consistent results, the Biolamix espresso machine is one of the best options available. Number 1. Brew. The Brew coffee maker is the ultimate choice for coffee lovers who want it all. This versatile machine is compatible with Nespresso capsules, Dolce Gusto pods, and ground coffee, making it one of the most flexible coffee makers on the market. Whether you're in the mood for a quick espresso shot or a full mug of coffee, the Brew can handle it all with ease. The Brew coffee maker features a powerful 19-bar pressure pump, ensuring that your coffee is brewed with the perfect balance of flavor and aroma every time. Its compact design makes it a great option for smaller kitchens, while its quick heating system ensures that your coffee is ready in no time. The Brew is also very easy to clean, with a removable drip tray and water tank for added convenience. So, there you have it, our top 5 best coffee makers that cater to every coffee enthusiast's needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.